Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a haul video. Nykaa has got the June sale going on right now. I ordered a couple of products to kind of prepare myself for the monsoons. So I've got a few things for hair and a couple of makeup products. Now when it comes to beauty, I'm generally a little more experimental with makeup and skincare, whereas I don't really do much with my hair, but I wanted to try some new products. I've been using pretty much the same styling products for a really long time now. I'd heard a lot of good things about the Wella EMI range, and they have just so many products, so I had a very difficult time choosing just a few products. So I thought I'll start with these two. The first one is the Flowing Foam Anti-Frizz Smoothing Balm. Since my hair is quite frizzy, this is something that can be used before you style your hair to kind of reduce the frizz and also prep your hair for heat styling. And then the second product I picked up is the Stay Styled Workable Finishing Spray, and this is like a hold spray. Now I wanted something that is going to keep my hairstyles in place because Mumbai is very humid and my hair pretty much loses its styling very quickly. It doesn't even last like till the end of the day, so I wanted something with a slightly stronger hold, and I have used it I think twice now. It was my birthday 2 days back, so I used this when I style my hair, and I have to say it does help in extending the style for a day or two more than what it would be if you don't use something like a setting spray. Moving on to skincare, I have two products here. The first one is the Innisfree Jeju Volcanic 3-in-1 Nose Pack, and this is something specifically for blackheads. I've only tried this once, so it's a little early to give a full review, but it's basically a clay based mask. It also has some exfoliating particles, so it helps get rid of dead cells, and you can use this not only on the nose but even on areas like your chin or your forehead, wherever you get a lot of oiliness and clogged pores. And the second skincare product I picked up is an eye cream, and this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Laser X3 eye cream, and this one is supposed to correct wrinkles, unpuff and retighten the skin. I was almost running out of my current eye cream and I wanted to try this one out because it's supposed to be quite good, and it has that metal tip applicator which is pretty good for people who get like puffiness and water retention in the under eye area. There are some really nice offers going on the Korean skincare brands. Face Shop has the 5+5 free offer, so when you buy 5 sheet masks you get 5 free. They also have a flat 25% off on facial skincare, 30% off on BB creams and cushions, and the rest of the products are at 20% off. So I would definitely recommend that you give at least the sheet masks a try, if not the other skincare. Some of you have been commenting that my skin has been looking good lately, and I have been using a lot of sheet masks. I've pretty much run out of all my sheet masks. I'm just left with this last one, so I'll definitely be ordering a few more before the sale ends. The sale is on till 18th June, so make sure you place your orders before that so that you can take advantage of all these offers. And for Innisfree, when you buy products ₹1000, you get a free eco handkerchief and a lip lacquer. Now coming to makeup, I have got 5 makeup products. The first one is a foundation which I'm very excited to try out. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. This is one of the very popular drugstore foundations. I've heard so much about this. This is supposed to be a medium to full coverage foundation. It also has an oil-free formula. It's lightweight and it is water resistant, sweat proof and very long lasting. So I think this would be pretty good for the monsoons when you want something that is sweat proof and water resistant. I picked the shade Warm Beige, which matches pretty well with my complexion. From Maybelline, I picked up 2 things, and both of these are eyeliners. I saw a new launch. It's called the Hyper Ink Liquid Liner, and I'm a big fan of liquid liners. I love doing my signature winged eye look, and I always use a liquid liner for that, and I thought of trying this out because it's quite affordable and it's a new launch. I had to give it a try. And the second thing I picked up is a brown eyeliner, and this is from their Lasting Drama waterproof gel pencil range. I have the copper and the blue shade from this range, and I really like the formula. It's very creamy, it's very pigmented, it literally feels like a gel in a pencil form. And since I use browns on a very regular basis, I picked the shade, I think it's called Glazed Toffee. I was on the lookout for a waterproof mascara for the monsoons, and I spotted the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes waterproof one. I have not given this a try yet, so I thought I will try this out, so I got this. Now in the monsoons, we tend to wear eye makeup that is very long lasting, that is waterproof. Sometimes it can be be difficult to remove all that makeup if you're using a micellar water. So I wanted something that was bi-phased, that had a bit of oil in it, so it's easier to remove long wearing eye makeup. So I got the Neutrogena one. This has been in India for some time now, but somehow I had never tried it out. I have tried similar ones from pretty much every other brand. I've tried the Maybelline one, the Lakme one, the Chambord one, so I thought let's give this a try as well. And I quite like the quantity. There's quite a bit of product in here. Every month Nykaa does a new pouch, and this month we have this really pretty green and pink one. When you place an order above ₹4,000, you get this free. So those are all the things I picked up from the Nykaa sale. It's not a super huge haul, but it's pretty much all the stuff I really wanted to prepare for the monsoons. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the product links are going to be in the description box below, so please make sure you check that. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.